Welcome back to Kawasaki Bike, your go-to place for the latest updates on cars and bikes. Today, we are diving into the 2025 Mahindra XUV700, a vehicle that has once again raised the bar in the Indian SUV segment. With fresh styling, powerful performance, and cutting-edge features, this SUV is built for those who demand more from their drive. Intro design and styling. The 2025 XUV700 gets a sharper, more aggressive look with a redesigned front grille and sleek LED headlamps. Mahindra has refined the body lines, giving the SUV a more athletic stance. Chrome accents, flush door handles, and updated alloy wheels enhance its road presence, while still staying true to its bold and muscular DNA. Engine and performance. Under the hood, the XUV700 continues with its powerful 2.0L turbo petrol and 2.2L diesel engines, tuned for better efficiency and smoother power delivery. Both engines now offer improved NVH levels and responsive acceleration, especially in the higher trims with AWD options. Whether on highways or rough terrains, the XUV700 doesn't disappoint. Features and technology. Tech lovers will appreciate the twin 10.25-inch displays for infotainment and driver information. The Adreno X system is faster and more intuitive, offering connected car features, voice commands, and over-the-air updates. Alexa integration, 3D sound by Sony, and Level 2 ADAS make this SUV one of the most tech-loaded vehicles in its segment. Comfort and ergonomics. Inside, the 2025 model boasts plush leatherette upholstery, ventilated front seats, and a panoramic sunroof. Mahindra has improved seat cushioning and cabin insulation, resulting in a quieter, more comfortable ride. Third row space is more usable now, making it ideal for larger families or group travel. Suspension and handling. The updated suspension setup offers a more composed ride across bumpy roads. The front McPherson struts and rear multi-link suspension have been fine-tuned for Indian road conditions, delivering better stability and cornering confidence. Steering feedback feels more precise, especially during spirited driving. Braking and safety. Safety continues to be a priority with 6 airbags as standard, along with ABS, EBD, traction control, and ISOFIX mounts. Higher trims offer ADAS features like lane keep assist, adaptive cruise control, and autonomous emergency braking, giving the XUV700 an edge in overall road safety. Fuel efficiency. The 2025 XUV700 shows slight improvements in mileage, with the petrol variant delivering up to 14 km per litre and the diesel offering around 17 km per litre, depending on the transmission and drive mode. These figures are competitive for an SUV of its size and capability. Conclusion. With bold styling, strong engines, and an impressive feature list, the 2025 Mahindra XUV700 continues to lead in value and innovation. Whether you're a tech-savvy driver or an adventure seeker, this SUV has something to offer. Stay tuned to Kawasaki Bike for more auto insights and updates.